There's one more piece to the last problem, but the video is getting a bit long, so I wanted to just save it for this piece. Actually, there's two parts here. First of all, I forgot the natural log after the 3 in that previous problem in my final answer, so I apologize for that. But one thing you should also be aware of for the AP exam is that, well, there's actually, again, there's two things. One, this could actually be a definite integral, in which case you have to plug in values instead of having the arbitrary constant. The second thing is if this is in the multiple choice section, and often it is, the answers could be written like so, but you also want to be prepared to use your logarithmic properties for expansion and contraction, just because this might not actually be one of the 4 answers that's presented to you. All right, so just keep in mind that if you've got coefficients, that those coefficients then become exponents within the logarithm. In other words, you may not see this, but you may have the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 7 to the 5th, all right, minus the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 2 cubed, all right, plus c. And not only might you have that, but just keep in mind that because we are subtracting 2 logarithms that have the same base, that's actually able to be rewritten as the natural log of the absolute value where we're using division, all right, x minus 7 to the 5th over x plus 2 cubed plus c, all right. So all of these are fair game, all right. The one in the middle is not, I mean, because it's only one of the parts was actually done is unlikely. But just keep in mind that you may see the answers all given in this aspect. And if that's the case, they're looking for you to use your logarithmic properties. So you just want to have those ready to go in the back of your mind.